Recommended tile sizes for laundry room floors depend on the room dimensions and layout, but the most common choices are larger format tiles for open rectangular spaces and smaller tiles for tight or irregular areas. For a typical laundry room that is at least 7 feet wide by 10 feet long, consider using 12-inch by 24-inch or 18-inch by 18-inch tiles to reduce grout lines and speed installation, while maintaining slip resistance with a matte finish and properly rated texture. In narrow or oddly shaped laundry rooms where cabinets, islands, or offsets create many cuts, choose small mosaic tiles or 4-inch by 4-inch to 6-inch by 6-inch tiles which conform to curves and provide better drainage at floor transitions. When working with larger tiles, plan for longer straight runs and ensure the substrate is flat within 1/8 of an inch over 10 feet to avoid lippage, and use a large format tile mortar and back butter each tile for proper bonding. For radiant or heated floors, pick thinner tiles such as 8-inch by 16-inch or 9-inch by 9-inch ceramic to allow efficient heat transfer, then use flexible thinset compatible with movement. Match tile size to visual proportion by measuring the room and dividing the longest continuous run by the tile dimension, including grout to see how many whole tiles will fit. Adjust to avoid narrow slivers at walls, which are hard to cut and look unbalanced. Always dry, lay a row or two from the center and across transitions to check pattern and adjust joint spacing before setting mortar. The biggest mistakes are choosing tiles that overwhelm the space, which makes small laundry rooms feel cramped and causes excessive cutting at edges, so pick smaller sizes or stagger layouts to break up visual weight. Another common issue is ignoring substrate flatness, which leads to uneven tiles and cracking. Test with a straight edge and correct high or low spots with a suitable leveling compound before tiling. People also underestimate grout width and slip rating and end up with slippery floors or visually heavy grout lines, so use a slightly rough surface tile for traction and select grout size to the tile and joint tolerance to balance. Appearance and maintenance. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners compare tile sizing options and find local contractors who will install or advise on the best choice for a laundry room. We connect contractors with work and host an active discussion community where we share tips on layout, materials, and workmanship so our members can learn from real projects.